Welcome to an incredible journey inside the most vital organ in the human body, the heart. Get ready to explore the powerhouse that keeps us alive. This 2-minute guide will dive deep into the fascinating mechanics of your heart system, combining modern 3D medical animation and cutting-edge visuals. See the heart in action. Every beat is a testament to an incredibly complex and relentless machine, tirelessly pumping life throughout your entire body. The heart acts as life's relentless pump, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every cell while carrying away waste. It's a continuous, synchronized process. To understand how the heart works, we must first look at its internal structure, 4 specialized chambers that manage blood flow. The heart is divided into 4 main sections, separated by muscular walls, ensuring blood flows in the correct direction and remains segregated. The 2 smaller upper chambers are the atria, which receive blood. The 2 larger, powerful lower chambers are the ventricles, responsible for pushing blood out. The process begins with deoxygenated blood returning from the body, ready to be refreshed with oxygen. Deoxygenated blood, shown here in blue, enters the right atrium. From there, it's pushed down into the right ventricle, awaiting its next destination, the lungs. The powerful right ventricle contracts, sending this deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery and directly into the lungs to pick up oxygen. Once in the lungs, carbon dioxide is exchanged for vital oxygen. This refreshed blood is now ready to fuel the body. Oxygenated blood, shown in vibrant red, returns from the lungs and enters the left atrium. It then flows into the left ventricle, the heart's strongest chamber. The left ventricle contracts with immense force, driving the oxygen-rich blood out through the aorta and into the systemic circuit, delivering life everywhere it's needed. Crucial to this flow are the heart's valves. These tiny, perfectly engineered flaps open and close precisely, ensuring blood always moves forward, never backward. But what powers this continuous action? It's a natural electrical system that keeps the heart beating rhythmically. Specialized cells generate electrical impulses, acting like the heart's internal pacemaker. This spark travels rapidly across the heart muscle. This impulse causes the atria and then the ventricles to contract in perfect, synchronized timing, completing the pumping cycle with precision. From receiving depleted blood to sending oxygenated life force back out, the heart's journey is a marvel of biological engineering. The dual flow circuit, pulmonary and systemic, works seamlessly to sustain life. It's a closed system, constantly refreshing and delivering. Appreciate this incredible organ, keep it healthy, and it will keep you running reliably for a lifetime. Thank you for watching.